In the dynamic world of fashion and social media, certain trajectories captivate our collective imaginations. Marissa DuBois' rapid ascent to digital and runway stardom is a stellar example, with a backstory as intriguing as her commanding runway presence. Born on March 31, 1995, Marissa hails from the United States and stands tall at 5'1", a height that accentuates her presence on the runway. Her recent claim to widespread fame traces back to Fort Lauderdale Fashion Week, where she adorned a hot Miami Styles bikini and strutted down the runway, capturing the gaze of many. The buzz from this event echoed louder when Marissa graced the runway for the Michael Costello X Revolve show at Miami Swim Week, further cementing her status in the fashion domain. Yet Marissa's journey to the runway is as surprising as it is impressive. Long before her modeling days, she was immersed in a wholly different world with a degree in criminology under her belt. Her initial path seemed far from fashion, as she had her sights set on serving in the military. Her keen interest in criminology even led her to intern as a homicide detective in her senior year. This detour is a testament to her versatility and her ability to traverse various terrains with confidence. Social media, in all its vibrancy, became the perfect platform for Marissa to showcase her experiences. On Instagram, where she's affectionately known by the nickname Riz, she has garnered a staggering 749,000 followers. Her feed, a visual treat, oscillates between mesmerizing runway clips and stunning snapshots that capture her essence. However, it's on TikTok that Marissa truly shines under the moniker Reality with Riz, commanding the attention of over 1.1 million followers with a whopping 7.7 million likes amassed on her content. Rather than just showcasing the glamour, Marissa offers a genuine peek into a model's life through her content. Followers get a first-hand view of the hustle and bustle behind runway shows, castings, fittings, and the meticulous preparation that goes into every appearance. Her "Get Ready With Me" segment demystifies the process, allowing fans to not just admire, but emulate her style. In Marissa DuBois, we witness a fusion of worlds, the analytical rigor of criminology and the artistic flair of modeling. Her journey serves as a reminder that life's tapestry is woven from diverse threads, and it's never too late to redefine one's path. Today, as Marissa continues her ascent in the world of fashion, she remains an embodiment of grace, resilience, and the beauty of pursuing one's passion. Alright folks, it's time to stay tuned to this channel. Go ahead and click on the video displayed on your screen to indulge in another captivating bikini tale. Let's dive in.